Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming network access and opening a modern browser. This is critical so sync won't fail mid-setup. Sign in at Mail. Google.com with the Gmail account you want to sync. Once signed in, go to Settings, open Forwarding and POP/IMAP, and enable IMAP so a mail client can access folders and labels. If you use two-step verification, make sure you have an app password or plan to use OAuth in the mail client. This prevents authentication errors during setup. Now add the account to your laptop mail app or desktop client. Select IMAP for two-way syncing so changes appear on all devices. Enter IMAP. Gmail.com with port 993 and SSL for incoming and SMTP. Gmail.com with port 465, SSL or 587 TLS for outgoing. If the client supports Google OAuth, use it to avoid passwords. Otherwise, create and use an app password with two-step verification. After connecting, choose Finish by sending and receiving test messages. Confirm that inbox, sent, drafts, and selected labels match what you see on the web. Make sure synchronization settings like message history limits and notifications fit your workflow. Reduce retained messages if storage slows sync. Once done, let the client complete an initial full sync. This may take time if you have many messages. If something goes wrong, first verify IMAP is still enabled. Confirm ports and SSL/TLS are correct. And if you use two-factor authentication, reissue an app password or allow the client via your Google account security settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.